Hi, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to do the final walkthrough on this beautiful 72 Chevelle. So let's take a peek. As you can see, we have the Alpine Halo 9-inch in here. So it's a floating radio, so it's tablet style, wireless CarPlay. The client just wanted something, with Apple CarPlay, touchscreen, and there was somebody had already cut up the dash, so he was okay with doing this style radio. We can also do it where it looks factory, not with a screen, obviously. And then, as you can see, we have the kick panels with the 6.5 and the tweeters. So we convert, basically, it's a component set. A lot of these kick panels, basically, it's set up for a coaxial, where the tweeter's in the center of the speaker. But the problem with that is it's firing at your ankles. So obviously that doesn't sound very good. So what we do is we build a little bracket and mount the tweeter here and fire them up at the driver. Because the thing is, tweeters are very directional, and to get the most sound out of it and to get everything that you paid for, we want to aim them up at you. Plus, this is a very loud car, engine-wise and just in general. So that really helps to improve the sound quality. Because again, the tweeters firing down at your ankles does nothing, right? So that's one of the other cool tricks that we did. On the rear deck, we cut the deck out and mounted the 6x9s. So they're just surface mounted, so now we get all the sound out of it instead of it being trapped under in the trunk area. All right, and in the trunk, the client already had this 212 kicker box that we're using temporarily. Eventually, the client's gonna come back and we're gonna redo it and do something purpose-built so it looks more like it came with the vehicle. But for right now, it's got 212s in it and it sounds fantastic. All right, so the other thing we want to show you is our wiring versus a lot of the original wiring in here, right? So a lot of the original wiring is done by, again, hot rod shops, people that don't specialize in wiring or car audio, right? And so you can definitely tell a difference. So I don't know if you can see, but all our wire is wrapped in this Tessa tape, which is the high abrasion tape, keeps it from getting damaged or rubbed through to the metal. And then we also heat shrink the end and color code it. So this way there's no guessing where the wire goes, right? Another big thing that we love to do for our systems is instead of fuses, we use these marine grade circuit breakers. The nice thing about this is if you ever have to service the system or you just want to disconnect the system, you press that button, this little reset tab comes out, and there is no audio. So if you take it to the mechanic or you need to service something, you literally press the button, there is no power to the system. To restore power, once you're done doing whatever you gotta do, you just literally sit there, click that over, boom, you're back in business. The other thing that we do is we route our wires through the fender and hide it so that you don't have a wire just kind of hanging out. And I don't know if you can see, but some of the wiring here is not ideal. Eventually, I'm sure he's gonna want for us to repair all that. But for right now, we just wanted to show you the way we do it. So if you like our content and are interested in learning more about process, build pics, behind the scenes, just educational videos about the car audio world, please check out our YouTube channel at Showtime Audio.